Hi guys, welcome to the session. I'm going to show you how to access OpenShift from any of the portals or any of the platforms. You can access this from AWS, from Azure, from Google Cloud, or even from your desktop or laptop. So what you should do, go to Google Chrome, go to the URL console.openshift.isc.com :8443. This will be given to you when the credentials are sent. You can use it. Log in with the credentials which are given to you. Once you log in, this is your home page that comes up. So here you can say on the left hand side you have a lot of applications available. You have the platform as .NET Core, .NET PostgreSQL, you have .NET Core example, Freescale, Cake PHP. So you have all those things available. If you're looking for something specific, you can always go to languages where you have a choice of Java, JavaScript, .NET, Perl, Ruby, PHP, Python. If you're looking for database, here you can list for databases. Here we have middleware, we have CI/CD, and all other applications are listed on this page. So I just go back to all. Suppose we have an application which we have built up on say, which one do we take? Let us say we have something on Python. You can click on Python, just go next. It'll ask you to create a project. You can give your name, which version of Python you want to use. It'll ask you to do that as well. So I didn't click on create a project. Let me create a project. Test project. And application name. So it is Python test app. And create. So in the GitHub repository, you'll have to give your own repository and close this. You can list all the projects here. So this was the one which we created. So not getting metrics, no worries. We have a test app here. So there's no deployments done. So in case you want to do deployments, you can go to deploy and do the deployments. Here you have your environment settings which you can do. You can go to builds, pipelines, or images. If you have images, you can host it there. In case of resources, you'll have the configurations. Here you have your storage in case of any persistence. All monitoring is built on here, and here comes your service catalog once again.